Flags of the world. Every country has got a flag. Here are some flags of the world with some interesting designs. A. This is the flag of Kazakhstan. In the center of the flag, there is a golden sun with 32 beams and a golden steppe eagle underneath. It also has got a golden ornamental pattern down one side. It has got a sky blue background. B. The Union Jack is the flag of the United Kingdom. It is the flags of 3 patron saints, the Red Cross of St. George of England, the White Cross on a blue background for St. Andrew of Scotland, and the Red Cross of St. Patrick of Ireland. C. The flag of Wales has a red dragon on it. The background is green and white. You can see this flag on government buildings in Wales.